Optimize your sales data with database providers. If your outreach keeps stalling, maybe it's your data that needs a tune-up. In truck transportation, every mile matters, and so does every contact. But if your sales data is running on empty, your message won't make it past the on-ramp. At Database Providers, we deliver verified, intent-rich contact data built for the trucking ecosystem. Whether you're looking to connect with fleet managers, freight carriers, 3PL procurement leads, or distribution network heads, we put you in direct contact with the people moving the industry forward. No more wasted fuel on cold leads, just accurate, role-specific trucking data aligned with your revenue goals. With access to 400+ industries, including logistics, freight tech, transportation infrastructure, and distribution, our datasets power ABM strategies trusted by logistics vendors, tech enablers, and enterprise suppliers alike. Why choose Database Providers? 100% verified contacts, on-demand truck transportation database, precise below-the-line leads. Custom database builds high match rates for CRM enrichment, GDPR, and CAN-SPAM compliant. How precise are our data? 95% mail delivery rate, 4 times more than industry standard, 40% plus mail open rate, 3x more meetings booked. 30% growth in sales pipeline, x more meetings booked. Don't waste time chasing unqualified leads. Ask for a sample database customized for your business. How? Email us at sales@thedatabaseproviders.com.